Hello guys, welcome to Toy Stories TV. Today we have this lovely playset from Disney Planes series and it's featuring Dusty Crophopper. I think it's a radio controlled toy and this plane has a flight control, so you can tilt your arms and you can actually control Dusty so he can move around. It comes in a really nice box. It's a quite interesting toy. We'll open it in a second. I think you can move your arms and then Dusty will rotate his propeller and you can race forward, you can tilt to turn right, or you can tilt to turn left. It says that Dusty can say more than 40 phrases and sounds. So let's see what's inside actually. I'm going to open it. That's one controller. That's Dusty. And that's the second controller. Now let's see what we can do with these toys. They're quite good size actually. This controller, number 7. On the wing, they look like proper wings, so I think you need to hold them in your hands like this. So you have one for your left arm and one for your right arm, so you can play a real aeroplane. You can tilt left or right to control Dusty. And here is Dusty. Quite good size for toy. It's not a flying toy, but I think you can control this one so he can tilt left or right. Also he has a propeller and there's a long radio antenna on top of Dusty. This is our Dusty Crophopper. He has a lot of nice stickers. This is Dusty number 7. He's shiny orange color and he has these bull wheels. It does look like a really nice toy. Now let's see what we can do. There's an on and off button, so let me put it on.
My name is Dusty. Gotta get up to the jet stream. Pull up, out of my way, rip slinger. Bank right. Whoa, wrong way. Try that again.
Whoa! Wow, that's a cool toy, isn't it? I really love this Dusty controlled plane. Subscribe for more videos. We can see in the next episode how actually we can move Dusty left and right, tilting with your arms. Subscribe for Toy Stories TV for more. Thank you.